Welcome back to Ben's Garage. Today we're on location. We're outside Ben's Garage. Range Rover TD6. A few of you have been asking about the solar panel. Does it work? What sort is it? I did do another video which I'll combine into this one about the solar panel when I tested it. As you've seen, it started out. The car's been sat there for over a week. Normally it would have sort of maybe turned over and then just gone flat straight away, fired up straight away. So I think we might have cracked that little issue. So a solar panel does seem to do a good job. I would recommend plugging it direct to the battery rather than going through cigarette lighters and stuff like that, because the electrics on these Range Rovers is so sort of not finicky but complicated. The way that I've done it, wired it up in the back, as you saw from the previous video, it's wired up in the back, it goes direct to the battery. So here's my setup. I've got the solar panel outside, got my battery connected up, and we've got the meter on here. I don't know if you'll see that, but I'll zoom in on that in a minute anyway. What I'll do is I'll disconnect the solar panel and we'll test the battery. Oh shit. Battery's reading 12 volts. So I'll connect this up to the solar panel. The sun's just gone in behind a cloud. That's reading 20 volts. Plug it on the battery and we've got 12 volts again. So just sitting here now, it's gone up to 12.06. The battery was 11.9, 12 volts. So it is putting some in there, and I don't know how long it would take to get it back up. So now the sun's come out, 12.07. So it is coming up. It is putting voltage into the battery. But the battery was a bit flat to start with. You learn something new every day. When it's under load, it doesn't put out 20 volts. That battery in the sun, it brought it up to 12.12. There are other options. I did mention about the second battery kit, that you can fit a second battery in the back. I will leave that link to that in the description. How good it is, I don't know. Now, I've been doing a bit of research into solar because we want to get solar power on the house. I did read somewhere that if you've got two batteries wired in parallel and they're different amperage or different amp hours, the bigger battery will only operate at the lower battery's amp hours. Whether that is going to be the same on a car, I don't know. So do your research on that. I'll put links in the description. Other options, C-Tech battery chargers. There are other brands out there. We've got the C-Tech. It was pointed out to me when we powered up through the trailer socket to get into the car that you can get hold of one of these. Now this, there's a chap called Rob Holland who's one of my subscribers. That comes off. That goes in your 13-pin trailer socket. That end goes to your C-Tech battery charger, and you can trickle charge your car without having to worry about opening your bonnet. But don't forget to disconnect it before you drive away, because you'll be taking that, your extension cable, your C-Tech charger, and probably half your garage up the road if you forget to disconnect it. It will break the wires, but you get the point. They also do the 7-pin version if you've got the twin sockets, like the old type. That's a good option. So I've got that. But the solar panel's doing a pretty good job at the moment, so that's in the thing out of the way. So yeah, it's a 2 thumbs up for the old solar panel. This car's going to be doing a lot of it does sit around. All our cars do a lot. The Hobbit's using the TDV8 quite a bit at the moment. You'll notice that the Audi's still here. That's up for sale. Been messed about a bit with that, but I'll cover that when I get on to doing the repairs on it. We've got a couple of little things to do for its CT. Nothing major, but I'll go over all that when on another Audi video. So I'm sorry if I will be boring you with some more Audi videos coming along very soon. But yeah, Range Rover, it all starts. There's your options. They are a little bit power hungry when they're sitting around doing nothing. It's just something to keep on top of, and all good stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next one. Bye for now.